So I hear the word addict, alcoholic, junkie, person with addiction. All these different terms really mean the same thing. It's a person who's sick and a person who's alone. And it's interesting to me, I've been in the field of treating addiction and pain for the past 15 years. And I remember people would sometimes say to me, well, so-and-so is a functional alcoholic. And I always tell people, we're all functional until we're not, because that's the nature of addiction. But a lot of great things happen when people are addicted during their addiction. When my own started, I wrote some of the best songs that I ever wrote, and one of my favorite songs I wrote while I was pretty buzzed on Percocets. So I always like to show people an example of, a lot of times when we think of the word addict or alcoholic, we think of the person who's hopeless, down and out, and unable to function, but that's not the way that it was, and that's one of the reasons why I stayed sick for so long. So this is one of my favorite songs that I wrote while I was high. Slowly into the room, she takes off the coat, blows into her hands, barely helping to fight off the cold. She sees him, goes back into life that's been taken for granted. She's thinking of other times and things that she did. Rain came, washed the tears from her face. Time's gone by and she can't erase. No one tries to let her know. What was tomorrow is long ago. He's hoping the magic love still warms her heart. He won't